Okay, so this is the 1080p pen cam. You'll notice on this that this is a lot more bulbous than what a pen would normally be. But the good thing about that is it can go into your pocket and hide the rest of the pen in your pocket. I don't know if that's up high enough or not. You can see that in the mirror. But it could also go like that on your shirt and hide the rest of the pen. But that bulky part is actually to give it a little more battery life, and that is the first hidden on-body product that does 8 hours. Great little product. Low light capability, high resolution, nice wide angle. To kind of give you an idea of what the processing speed is moving it around.